Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are passionate about cybersecurity or just curious about how hackers operate, you are in the right place. Today I am going to teach you how exactly to set up your own honeypot to trap hackers, step by step. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert to get started. So grab a coffee, let's dive right in. Alright, first thing first, what exactly is honeypot? Think of a honeypot like a bait or a decoy. It's a fake system that looks real to hackers. When hackers try to break into it, you can monitor everything they do without them even realizing. It's a trap. It's like putting a fake wallet on the street to study how a thief operates. Honeypots are amazing way to detect threats earlier, gather information about new attack methods, and improve your overall security. You might wonder why bother setting up one. Well, there are a few powerful reasons. First, honeypots act as early warning system. Second, they give you valuable insight into hackers' technique and tools. Third, they can distract attackers from a real system. And finally, they help you strengthen your security based on real-world data. There are mainly two types of honeypot: production honeypot and research honeypots. Production honeypots are simpler. They are used mainly to distract hackers away from your real system. Research honeypots are more complex. They are designed to study hackers' behavior in detail. If you are just starting out, a production honeypot is perfect for you. The good news is you don't have to build everything from scratch. There are some amazing free tools available. Cowrie, which simulates SSH server; Dionaea, great for catching malware; Honeypot, which can mimic multiple operating systems; and few others like Kippo and Glassstop. For today's example, I'll focus on setting up a simple honeypot using Cowrie. Step 1. Set up virtual machine. First, you need to create a safe environment. Install software like VirtualBox or VMware. Create a new virtual machine and install lightweight Linux system like Ubuntu server. Make sure you isolate it from your main network by using host-only networking or NAT. This is super important to prevent hackers from accessing your real network. Next, open your Linux terminal and update your system. Then install some required packages like Git, Python 3 and few others. After that, clone the Cowrie repository from GitHub. Navigate to Cowrie folder, set up a Python virtual environment and install all necessary dependencies. Don't worry, it sounds technical, but it's mostly just a few simple copy-paste commands. Step 3. Configure Cowrie. Now, you need to set up Cowrie. Copy the default configuration file and make small changes if needed. For example, if you want Cowrie to listen on port 22, that's the default SSH port, while your real SSH, if you use it, should move to different port like 2222. Step 4. Start the honeypot. Once everything is ready, start Cowrie. Now your honeypot is live. If a hacker tries to connect, Cowrie will capture and record everything: the username they try, the password they guess, and even the commands they run. And remember, the attacker has no idea it's all fake. Step 5. Monitor and analyze. Finally, this is important. Keep an eye on your logs. Check regularly what hackers are attempting, what passwords are common, what tools are they using. Use this information to strengthen your real defense and stay ahead of threats. There are some other important tips to keep in mind. Never use a production system to run a honeypot. Always isolate them. Make sure you have a firewall to control outgoing connection so hackers cannot use your honeypot to attack others. Stay within legal boundaries. Only set up honeypots on system you own. And finally, regularly back up your logs. They can be goldmine for understanding threats. Setting up a honeypot is a fantastic project if you are serious about cybersecurity. It's hands-on, it's real world, and it's super educational. Even a simple setup can teach you more about attackers than hundreds of theory classes. So go ahead, build your own honeypot, set the trap, and start learning from real-world attackers today.